So you probably read the title of this video and you thought, what does that mean? And I'm here to tell you, today I'm going to become an e-boy. Now, I have told many people this. Most of the reactions that I got were like a mix between uncontrollable laughter, which I don't understand like where that's coming from. I don't see why that's funny. A question I got a lot was, why not an e-girl? It is a little strange to just declare that you want to be a boy, let alone an e-boy. And I thought about it and I was like, I just don't want to be a girl. Oh, if you're new here, hello. That was so embarrassing. I'm Pamela. Welcome back to another day in my life that I'm filming just for you. Let's do the video now. So I was asking myself, okay, how do I become an e-boy? Like, what do I do? What are the requirements? And so I found a video online and then I watched that and I took notes. How to be an e-boy. Number one, I need a white long sleeve shirt. I need cute hair. I need a black band tee, cropped pants, a weird looking belt, a beanie, a cross earring. I need a pocket chain. After I made a list of all the things I needed, I promptly went and told everyone I knew. And like I said, some people were very much like, what the f are you talking about? And I was like, after a lot of thinking, I realized that I can do whatever the beat I want. I don't have to worry about other people's opinions or thoughts.
Like, I don't want your opinion. Do what I fucking want. If I see you on the streets, bitch, your ass is done.
I want to dress up as an e-boy, but I also want to film a TikTok. Like, one of those like transforming, like, you go from whatever you usually are to like a TikTok boy, an e-boy boy. I do have a TikTok account. Follow me. I am at Pamela Ashwood. Now, I need to like stand this up, right? Like this needs to be on a stand or something. I didn't think this through. It's fine. Okay. Yeah, dude. Okay.
No, it's not cute enough.
Angle is all wrong. Fuck, dude. How do I like, fuck? Okay. Wait. It's fine. It's fine. We're gonna do this. It's gonna be good. I'm trying to film this TikTok. It's not easy. So I tried being cute. It doesn't really work for me. I tried being attractive.
That's definitely not working for me.
So now I'm just gonna be stupid. That, I feel like, is the energy that I as a person just tend to radiate. No, we can't be sassy. It's bad for us. I need to dust that. Oh no, we can't even use that. It was good, but we can't even use it because my pants looked awful. What the fuck was that?
I didn't hate that one.
I didn't hate that. I'm gonna save it as a draft and then do it again. Yeah, no, for real though. Filming a TikTok, you guys, it is not as easy as these bitches be making it seem like it is. I am gonna turn my fan on, which means you're gonna hear it. I apologize. I live in Texas. I'm about to wear like 3 layers of clothing. Oh, baby, air.
Yas, queen, yas. I feel like the lighting has left me.
Oh, it is now time to go from drab to laid. I guess it's not fab, it's more like dark. More like drab to e-boy. I really wish I had thought that joke through before I said it. Okay, let's get started. Over here on my beautiful clothing rack, which you would know I have if you watched my video where I show you my clothing rack. I don't know what it's called, but you know what, you should just go watch all of the videos and eventually you'll find the correct one. Yeah, sorry. Anyway, so I found on my little clothing rack a little mock-up of what I'll be wearing today. I have this shirt that says California Rebellion. California Rebellion? Did I just realize that that's what this shirt says? What does that mean? Is that like a cult thing? Can I have that in the video? It's fine. I don't support whatever this is. But I'm gonna cut all of this out. I'm gonna be a fucking e-boy! California Rebellion shirt, which again, I don't know what this means. Pants are on. Let's see, can I tuck this in? Oh, I don't know how to put suspenders on. This is like, I feel like that's not supposed to be that high. How do I fix that? Fucking know. We're putting the belt on. Anastasia, don't you fucking go into my closet. No, you're not allowed in there. Oh, don't make me get down. Don't make me get down from here. Don't make me get down from here. Don't make me, honest. No, no, go away. Stasi. Good girl. How the fuck do I close this? What the hell? Oh, I think I got it. Shit, okay, cool. I don't know what it looks like yet. Okay, you guys are the first to see what it looks like. We're not done. We still have to put on shoes, our beanie, and our accessories, which I'm super excited about because it's really gonna pull the whole e-boy look together. I have to stop acting so like excited and happy. I have to start acting like hard and rough, you know? Like I've got secrets and I'm dark. Okay. I'm ready to look. Are you guys ready? I'm so excited. Okay. Oh shit! Oh shit! Fuck you! Who you fucking fighting in that outfit? I feel so dope! Accessories. Let's go to my bathroom. I bet you didn't think I meant that literally. You're in my bathroom now. You're in my bathroom. No. First things first, I'm a realist, okay? That's number one. What does an e-boy do with makeup? I feel like it's a ton of eyeliner, something smoky, and I know an e-girl goes all out, but we ain't an e-girl. We're not an e-girl, okay? No, we're an e-boy. We're an e-boy. It occurs to me that perhaps I should have watched a tutorial on this. The lighting has changed. I'm very sorry. There's nothing I can do. I'm in my bathroom. I'm a nerd. Just gonna let's not show everyone this is a wig, Pamela. Just trying really hard not to do that. Get out of my fucking face, dog. I'm probably gonna speed through this because honestly, like, do you need a tutorial from me? I don't know what I'm doing. Like, you don't need one. Damn. Oh, yeah, that burns a little bit. I don't think that's supposed to be burning. So why that's burning, I don't fucking know, but it's fun. You just need, I think what is it? It's like a cross tattoo, like under the eye maybe, like right here. Oh my God, I'm gonna be pissed. It doesn't look good. Oh. Woo! I'm so excited. Oh, look at that, it's cute as hell. Rimmel, that's so stupid. Who wants to wear this color as a satin lip? Who wants it to be shiny? It's a little messy, but it's fine. I want to move on to what's next. This should be pretty simple. Oh. Shit! Bitch! What the fuck? Oh, look at my teeth. Shit. No. Oh, queen. Oh, shit. Caitlin, my friend, made me a lot of little different pieces that I could wear because I told her I was going to become an e-boy and she was like,
dope, let me help you.
She made this little resin earring right here. Is this not the cutest thing ever? She makes her own jewelry. Follow her on TikTok. Now, I don't think that this is gonna match the aesthetic that I'm kind of going for, so I'm not gonna wear this one today, but I will keep it and cherish it. Thank you, Caitlin. Caitlin did provide me with another earring, which I was like, this is exactly what I need. She provided this one right here. Now, if we remember earlier in the video, I said that the one thing that I did need were cross earrings. Also, don't mind my nails. These are not e-boy nails, so we will be fixing that very soon. Oh, boy, bitch.
You better pump your brakes. Don't come at me with hate. You don't wanna go that way, son. Get up on my face, right? You making all mistakes. I don't feel no pressure, but your girlfriend breaks, bro.
The other thing that Caitlin made for me was a cute little pocket chain, which we will be putting on in just a moment. And then I was also given this necklace. Isn't this amazing too? Thank you, Caitlin, once again. I'm gonna put all of these little miscellaneous hoo-has on. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh, this looks so dope. Like, no joke, this looks so dope. Here we go, beach. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Holy shit. So I got these men's shoes and I'm really excited about them. Let's put it on. So I'm not planning on going anywhere with them, but for the purpose of this video. Oh shit. Oh shit. We out here looking like a fucking eboy. Oh my god, dude. 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 Giddy up. This was so worth it. Everything was so fun. Oh no, okay, the lipstick has got to go. The lipstick has got to go. Hi, I'm sorry to interrupt what's happening here, but I'm sorry, I'm here to take your bitch with me.
Feel the shit that got me, told me kill him. I said let me grab my death note. I don't know her, boy I'm finna glow October.
I'm at the mall to meet my friend Caitlin. I changed my shoes, put on these first class bitch socks, little clogs, black pants, pocket chain. I will find this mirror and then I will show you the final completed look. Nope. I'm like walking around, just kind of looking at people's reactions. It's so funny. Some people like are just ignoring me, and then there are some people who will do a double take when they look at me, and I'm just like, oh my god. Maybe they're looking at me because I'm talking to my phone. It could be that. We love being a YouTuber. BRB, bitches. I'm gonna go get some Great American cookies. Okay. Okay, guys, Caitlin is here, so I'm gonna go find her. I think she's in H&M. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's see what she thinks I look like. You look so good! I do? Yes! I look like an e-boy! Look at your socks! I'm an e-boy! Say hi to everyone. This is my friend Caitlin. She made the jewelry you guys saw. Oh my god, okay, let's go. That is really slutty.
No, like
I like it.
part of me wants to be really slutty, then part of me is like, Will's coming and like, Will's so judgmental.
Will doesn't watch my YouTube channel anyway.
Will makes fun of me all the time.
Really?
Yeah. I dress like a slut with my coworkers.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video where I turned myself into an e-boy. I'm so happy. All I really wanted was to become an e-boy, and I did it, and I'm really happy. Thank you for watching today's video. If you liked today's video, then please give me a thumbs up so that I know to keep doing transformation videos. And if you want to join the Pam fam, you're more than freaking welcome. Hit the subscribe button down below, and you will be subscribed. Okay, it's been solid. Bye.